applications now online.
Kakenhuan Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla kala Mynjur yaki standard operating procedure. Ban pentiknai ke jingthung kambat ban jingkyntiew kyrdan ha ka por babiang ha kitna trekam baper ke Sorkar. Haba crunch klap thai khubor hadin ke jingelang hinin kesi Menteri rang ba ke Jylla Conrad ke sang mau laong. Baka kenhuan Menteri kala depen bet iki SOP na ka benta ke jingthung kambat jingkyntiew kyrdan ha ka por babiang bat yakani on pentrekam de ki clear ju kitna trekam kumju kitna thungkam baper. Ba ulaong ru, ba unsa ay por ya ke MPSC, ki DSC, ne ki Department Selection Committee. Ban pendap ya ki to ki jaka bathali, ban penlong examine, ban penbenai ki result.
With standard operating procedures for conducting exams, declaring results and advertisements and intimation of vacancies to be done so that the recruitment process is done in a much faster manner. So all the different departments will be asked now to ensure that the vacancies that are there should be intimated within a specific period of time. Supposed to get those promotions, we have figured out a process and a standard operating procedure where departments have been asked to do this entire exercise every 6 months, and different processes to be completed way before the person retires, so that when the person does retire, the promotion and the promotee is ready to take the space so that there is no gap between